guys, this is Dr. Huertas from Kaplan Chiropractic. This week we're focusing on chiropractic adjustment, specifically the cervical spine. Dr. Kaplan just made a video showing you how to adjust the cervical spine while the patient is actually laying on their back. So today I actually want to show you another version of another chiropractic adjustment for the cervical spine as well, so you can know that here at Kaplan we have different ways to address that area. Usually with patients that I do this kind of adjustments are patients that can relax really well when they're actually laying on their back, so they tense too much. This is a really easy way for them to relax. Most of the time with Dr. Kaplan, he actually has his first vertebra called atlas really out of place. So he really likes this adjustment as well because you get a really good line of drive when you actually adjust it. So what we're going to show you is a way I do it on him, and then if you're interested, just give us a call after the video. So first, the patient is going to be obviously seated like he is. Most of the time, patient is legs are not going to be crossed. They're going to be as relaxed as they can. I'm going to put this part of my finger in this area here, which is the area where the atlas is located. I'm just going to bend this way. I'm just going to get it until I can find actually the tension. And there you go. It's really simple. You barely do that much rotation. You actually can control the adjustment a lot better, and patient really loved it. So if you want to learn about all the techniques that we do here at Kaplan, give us a call. Bye.